from justtutors.com, and in today's video we are going to learn about ear to ear. So the main subtopics which we are going to cover in the given video are: animals have different types of ears, animals which have ears but we cannot see, and animals having different type of skin. So let's move forward and let's talk about the first objective, which is different kinds of animals. So all the animals can move spontaneously and independently at some point in their lives. Well, all the members of the animal kingdom can be divided into two groups. One is vertebrates and the next one is invertebrates. If you talk about vertebrates, they have their unique backbone with the spinal cord. For example, fish, birds, mammals like human being. If you talk about invertebrates, they are simply the animals without a backbone. And if you talk about invertebrates, they are a large group of animals that consist of more than 97% of all the animal species. For example, you can think of insects, crabs, earthworms, jellyfishes. So they are all under the given category. Let's move forward and let's talk about different types of ears we have in animals. Well, different kind of animal have different types of ear because ears of each animal group are adapted for their specific environment and need. For example, if you talk about prey animals, they often have ears that can be moved around, and this allows to listen in every direction for threats. So, would you like to know a fact about bats? Well, bats use hearing to find their way around and catch prey by bouncing sound waves of objects in their environment. They are able to change the shape of their ears quickly and accurately to aid in this process. The same way, if you talk about sea animals and birds, they do not have outer ears because they would make too much noise from drag when the animal swims or flies. So let's talk about this category now. So now let's talk about those animals whose ears we cannot see. So different animals have different kind of ears, and some animals which have ears but we cannot see them. For example, if you talk about a bird's ear, they have tiny hole on both sides of its head, generally covered with feathers, and they help the bird to hear. If you talk about lizards or crocodile, they also have tiny holes as ears but we cannot see them easily. Let's move forward and let's talk about different types of skin we find in animals. Well, few animals have hair on their skin while few of them doesn't have hair on their skin. So we can differentiate with this factor. For example, so those animals who have ear outside and they have hair on their body, they usually give birth to the young ones. For example, dog has hair on its skin and its ear is outside, so they gave birth to young ones. If you think of lizard, that doesn't have ears on the outside and doesn't have hairs on their body, and they lay eggs. So we can remember like the way that, so those animals whose ear we can see and they have hair on their body gave birth to young ones, and those who do not have ears on the outside and do not have hair on their body, they lay eggs. Let's move forward, and we have reached the practice time, so few questions are there for you to practice. You can pause the video here and give them a try, and once you are done with all the given questions, you can resume the video to check your answer. Well, congratulations if all of your answers are correct, and thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.